says add vertical grid lines in light gray. Remember to draw the grid lines before you draw the axes so that the axes are drawn on top of the grid lines. Use cell size to determine the logical spacing between cells. Okay, so vertical grid lines. So that means lines that go from top to bottom, right? They're vertical, and that each grid line is going to have a different x. Okay, so it's going to be when we draw an individual line, it's going to go from x top to x bottom, and then we'll increment x. Then we'll have a new x, x top, x bottom, like that. So that looks like a for loop, right? So let's do that. So let's say so our x is going to be changing each time. So we'll start out with x equal to left, and then we'll go until x is equal to right. That makes sense, right? So x is going to go across the screen from left to right, and we're going to use cell size to increment x. Okay. And then we just need to do our draw line. So I'm going to copy and paste. So we're going to draw from our, let's see, our x coordinate is going to be x both times here. Oh, but it's going to be, we have to convert to device coordinates, right? And then our, let's see, but our top and bottom are already in device coordinates, right? Yeah, because we already did this business. So we can just go from top to bottom, okay? But the reason why we want to use x like this is we're using cell size as the logical size of a cell. So we need to, so for x is, oh wait a second, but if x is left, maybe x needs to be maybe x needs to start out as this, doesn't it? And then from here to here. Okay, that might not be the cleanest thing to do, but for now, yeah, so actually it might be better to have a logical left and a logical right and then convert those, but let me think about that. But anyway, for now I think this will do the trick. Yep, we have our vertical lines. Okay, so the only thing now is the problem now is our vertical lines are black and we want them to be gray, right? So let's do something about that. Let's see if we do. Let's see, we can do set color to color light gray. Okay, so that'll change that. There's one other thing though. If we do that, then everything's in light gray, and we want our axes to be black. So we're going to have to do another set color here. So let's do edit, copy, and then before we draw the axes, let's paste that down there. We'll set the color back to black. Let's try that. Okay, so that's what we want. So then the next thing we're going to have to put in the horizontal lines.